Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we dived into something truly special guest home idea. Whether you are think of add a backyard guest home, convince a basement or create a choosy in lawsuit, this video is full of inspire for to help your design a space that feel provide welcome and style. A guest home is not just explore space, it's an opportunity to create comfort for friend, family, or even short term visitor while add various for your property. So let's we explore how to make it functional, beautiful, and unformatting. Start with the seamless indoor and outdoor depth. One of the most popular trend right now is create a seamless trend for your interior space to your depth. Glance supporting those your back door onto a depth that feel like or natural interior of your home. Same full tint color palette and match functional space. Use wild glass or salt panel to make the space feel open and connected. If your kitchen or living room face the backyard, stand it's with a depth on can double your entertainment area. Start with purple and layout. Before you start design think about home your guest house will be used if it's backyard choosy and if your backyard have uneven trend or multi-level depth is a style and functional choice. If your backyard have uneven levels serve different purpose, one of dining or for long or another for a hot tub, fireplace area. Use stair and run to connect shade and consider your define material and color to define each zone. For example, compact depth on the main level and natural wood on the up level create various connective and chaptering. This depth not only look inspire but also add and full to your outdoor layout. Cover or paglo depth. What's to enjoy your depth in even seasoning? Add a cover paglo. A paglo often shared watch set living in natural light perfect for those summer afternoon. You can choose various sound living and even add copying for a more flexibility setup. If you perfect full covered, go for a roof depth or patio cover make a material it's perfect your functional for rain and sun lateral for use the space your role print if with font lights and choosy indoor field outdoor visitor conveyance or long term speed multi use store that double as a home often one you can define the purple plan your layout area is for short stood or compact space with a bedroom or kitchen it's perfect for long various add a smart living area a full kitchen and even a wash during setup keep the floor plan open and night fixing use long window sweet door on sunlight to make even smart space feel area setup tiny but maximize smart space home more guest house add choosy setup or a few pots plant such your depth become an outdoor living room perfect for morning coffee family dining or weekend gathering multi level depth design choosy and invited and trade guest house should feel like a warm welcome not just a scrolling home Add personal with a soft textile layout, lights and comfort setup. Think soft area range, access, choosy and tone. Use wall art plan, soft decoration that complement your main home style but even the guest house it's choosing. Lights play or a roof, convenient overhead layout wall and bring lamp or create an invite atmosphere day and night. Add if your night light less the same, a view of the guest or a patio door that often to gardening elevate the explore kitchenly or full kitchen determinant on your space and budget you can choose benefit or kitchenly or a full guest kitchen is perfect for short like a maximize should make a place or cooktop use open shade and compact application to keep its maximized yard functional. For long term guests or use full kitchen add interior or smart over top and cabin for story. To keep things match this finish or color with a result of the guest house layout, hardware work, convenient and wild quick. Bedroom design for comfort. A great guest house need for comfort provide bedroom. One of the big perk for a guest home is the outdoor connect. If your bed in your backyard create a privacy patio or space depth for the guest, a smart area with chair and table set light can turn or ordering backyard into privacy retreat. Add pot plant companion various or smart pergola for shade and privacy. For a seamless traditional use match material like wood depth can connect the guest home to your gardening part main house.